to test or not to test your products and services. So I'll give you an example with my past working life. And I remember we used to come up with I was in product development at the time, and would come up with really good offers that I and my bosses would think are really good offers, but we were not necessarily the target market. And I remember having discussions around, why don't we get people who are our target market to look at our campaign, to test the product and give us feedback from their point of view. And of course, more often than not, there was no budget. I see this mistake being made a lot, where product managers or businesses launch products that look really good internally in the boardroom when the presentation is made, but to the customer it doesn't really add value. Understand what their needs are, and then find out from them whether this would be the kind of solution they would like for that particular need that they've told you they have. You get such deep insights from doing this, and make less mistakes. It will cost you a lot less in the long run, rather than running down a particular road with a product and discovering you put your ladder up the wrong wall. So it's nice that you're going up this wall, but whoops, it was the wrong wall, so you have to come back down and find that right wall. So it's important that you test your products and services, and that you get a professional, an outsider, somebody who's unbiased, somebody who you tell, this is who I'm looking to attract. Find those people and get feedback from them. It will be able to give you more insights that you can use to help your business, and it's definitely worth the time and money that you'll spend on that.